Hi Claire, I really had a bad day.
I'm sorry to hear that you had a bad day. How about we watch some funny videos to cheer you up? I found 5 funny videos for you to enjoy. Let's watch them together.
Thank you Claire, that was really funny. Can we now learn about quantum physics please?
Let's learn about quantum physics. Give me a moment as I prepare the materials. In this slide, we introduce the concept of quantum physics, highlighting its focus on the behavior of matter and energy at microscopic levels. We also mention key concepts that will be discussed in the presentation. This slide delves into wave-particle duality, explaining how particles can exhibit both wave-like and particle-like behavior. The double-slit experiment is highlighted as a key demonstration of this principle. In this slide, we explore quantum entanglement, explaining how particles can be interconnected and influence each other instantaneously. We also touch on its implications for technology. This slide discusses the uncertainty principle, emphasizing the limitations in measuring certain properties of quantum systems. It highlights the departure from classical determinism and introduces the concept of inherent randomness. In the final slide, we discuss the practical applications of quantum physics, highlighting advancements in technologies such as quantum computing and cryptography. We emphasize the transformative impact of these technologies on various fields. If you have any question regarding this material, feel free to tell me.
Yes Claire, I have some questions, especially about quantum cryptography. Can you please tell me more about it?
Quantum cryptography is a fascinating application of quantum physics that offers secure communication methods based on the principles of quantum mechanics. It ensures that any attempt to eavesdrop on the communication can be detected. The key idea behind quantum cryptography is that it uses quantum states to encode information. When these quantum states are observed or measured by an eavesdropper, they change, alerting the communicating parties to the presence of a potential interception. This makes quantum cryptography fundamentally different from classical cryptographic methods, which rely on complex algorithms that can potentially be broken with enough computational power. Quantum cryptography leverages principles such as superposition and entanglement to achieve this high level of security. If you have another question, feel free to tell me. If not, let me know so that we can do a small quiz.
Oh, thank you. I'm very satisfied. Can we do a small quiz please?
Great, let's do a short quiz to see if you have understood the topic. This question tests your understanding of key principles in quantum physics. Choose the correct principle that relates to the behavior of particles. The answer provided by the student, quantum entanglement, for the question about the principle stating two particles can be in the same state at the same time is not correct. The correct answer to that question is the Pauli exclusion principle. The Pauli exclusion principle states that no two identical fermions, particles with half-integer spin, can occupy the same quantum states simultaneously. This principle is fundamental in understanding the behavior of particles at the quantum level, particularly in the arrangement of electrons in an atom. Quantum entanglement, on the other hand, refers to a phenomenon where particles become correlated in such a way that the state of one particle is dependent on the state of another, but it does not allow two particles to be in the same state simultaneously.